Okay children, let me start with a new chapter, that is chapter 2, whole numbers. Okay, so children, when we automatically start counting numbers, from which number do we begin with? We automatically begin with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, right? So hence mathematically they call these numbers as natural numbers. They call these numbers as natural numbers because we we call these numbers as natural numbers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes on, okay, till infinite. So it is called as natural numbers. Okay, next, for any natural number, if we add 1, like for 1, if we add 1, what will we get the answer? We'll get 2 as the answer, right? So next, when we add for 2, if we add 1, we'll get 3 and so on. So we are getting for 1, if we add 1, we are getting 2. Next for 2, if we add 1, for 1, if we add 1, we are getting 2. Next for 2, if we again add 1, we are getting 3. Again for 3, if we add 1, we will get 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we are getting the successor numbers. Successor means we are getting the next numbers, right? So if we add 4 plus 1, then we'll get 5. It goes on repeating. Okay, so for this procedure, like if we add, we'll get the next number. For that, we'll call it as successor. So 1 successor is 2, 2 successor is 3, 3 successor is 4. For example, children, see children, who is the elder person in your home? Elder person is grandfather. Next generation of grandfather is your father, right? After your father, next generation will be son, right? So who is the grandfather will be taking care of home and some work, some business. So after grandfather, next who will take care of that? Father will be take care of that. Okay, next after father, who will take care of that? Son will be taking care of that. So grandfather's successor is father, father's successor is son. Like that only we have 1 successor is 2, 2 successor is 3, 3 successor is 4. Okay. So we call these as successor numbers. We call these as successor. Okay. What will we call it as? Successor. Okay. Understood, children? What is the meaning of successor? Successor means a person or a thing which succeeds the another. Okay. Next. Let us see predecessor. So here, understood, children, what is successor? Successor is basically number that comes after the given numbers. Numbers that comes after the given number. So 1 we have. One successor is 1. After 1, what we are getting? 2. So the number that comes after the given number is called as successor number. Okay. The number that comes after the given number is called as successor number. Okay. Next, let us see predecessor. Predecessor means the number which comes before the given number. So, for example, we have 3. So, here we have to minus. There we had it. So, if we minus 3 minus 1 is 2. So, 2 we got. Next 2 minus 1 is 1. Next 4 minus 1 is 3. It goes on. We are getting like before number. So here what we are getting? 4 minus 1. In 4 predecessor is 3 we are getting. Next 3 predecessor is 2. Next 2 predecessor is 1. So it's going in a reverse order, right? So this is called as predecessor numbers. So we call this as predecessor. Okay. So the number which comes before the given number. See, for example, we'll give 4. 4 before number is how much? 3 we'll get. So 3 is a predecessor number. Okay. Understood, children? 3 is a predecessor number. So we are getting the before number. So this is called as predecessor. So you might have doubt. 1 minus 1, what will be there? So 1 minus 1 we will get 0. But 0 is not there in natural numbers. So 1 as a successor. 1 as a successor, right? Here see 1 we have successor. Black represent a successor. Blue represents predecessor. So, we have a successor, but we don't have a predecessor. Blue represent predecessor, right? So here blue, this black lines, it goes next numbers will be the successor, before numbers will be the predecessor numbers. Okay children, so here we have for 1, see for 1 we have a successor number, right? We have a successor number, but we don't have a, do we have a predecessor number for 1? No, because 2 predecessor is 1. 1 predecessor we don't have. So, for 1 will get only successor. We don't have predecessor, okay? For 1 successor is there, we don't have predecessor. Understood children? This is about natural numbers and predecessors and successors, okay? So, let me take some examples to find the predecessor and successor, okay? Here children, for example, let us write the successor and predecessor. Let us write successor and predecessor for the given numbers, okay? First, let us take 19. For 19, what is the successor number and what is the predecessor number? Successor number, what we have to do? Add 1 to identify the successor number and subtract 1 to get the predecessor number. Otherwise, if you can easily identify by seeing the numbers. After 19, what it comes? After 19, we'll get, so successor of 19. So, successor means what children? Successors means after number, okay? This is I am writing for your reference. So, successor means after number. So, after 19, what will we get? 19 after is 20. So, 20 is the successor of 19. Okay. Next, let us write the predecessor number. Predecessor of 19. So, predecessor means what? Before. Predecessor means before number. So, 19 before number is what? 18. So, children, if you can directly write, if you can directly know the before numbers and after numbers, you can directly write it. Otherwise, you can, for successor, you will add 1. For the given number, for predecessor, you will subtract 1 to get the answer. Okay. So, for here for 19, if you add 1, what you will get? 20. So, we already wrote the answer. So, 19 after number is 20. Next, for predecessor, what we have to do? We have to subtract 1. So if you can check the answer, whether your answer written here is correct or not, you can see this method. So 19 minus 1 is how much? 18. So this will be the, for successor I will write S, for predecessor I will write P. Okay. So successor is 20 and predecessor is 18. So if you know the numbers properly, so if you know after numbers and before numbers, you can directly write the answer. Successor of 19 is after number, so 19 after is 20, so you can directly write it. If you get difficulty in finding that, you can add 1 for successor and find the answer. Okay. Next, let me take another example, that is second one. I'll take a bigger number, that is 1997. Okay, for this we will write the successor of 1997. Successor means what? After 1997 is what? 1997 successor is, if you add 1 for 1997, you will get 1998. So successor of 1997 is 1998. So predecessor of 1997. So for predecessor is before number. Before 1997 will get 1996. Understood, children? If you can directly write like this, you can write. Otherwise, you can subtract 1 and add 1 and find the answer. Okay. So third one, 49. So successor of 49 is 49. Next number is what, children? 50. Next predecessor of 49 is 49 minus 1 is 9 minus 1 8, 4 as it is. So 49. Okay. So 49 plus 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 50. You can write like this and find the answer and write. This will be for successor, this is be for predecessor. Understood, children? If you can directly identify the next number, that is successor number, you can write. Otherwise, you can use this method. Okay. Next problem, fourth problem. One, 2, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Wait. Fourth one, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. That is 12,000. So successor of 12,000 is what, children? Don't write the successor of 12,000 as 13,000. That will be wrong. Next successor number means immediately next number. So if you get confusion, you can add 1. So don't add 1 here. You have to add 1 in 1's place. Okay. You have to add 1 in 1's place. Okay. because only 1 we have, that is 1's place we have. So you have to add 1 in 1's place. Don't add somewhere else here. You will get wrong answer. Okay. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 0, 0, 2, 1. So what is the answer we got? 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. This is the answer. Okay. 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. Next successor number is 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. So let us find the predecessor number. Predecessor number of 2, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. You'll get confusion, so you can write like this and find the answer. Okay. So 0 minus 1 is, so 10, 9, 9, 1, right? This will be, you will get 1 here. So 0 minus 10 minus 1 is 9, 9, 9 is there, 1, 1. So what is the answer we got, children? 11,999 is the predecessor number. Okay. If you get difficulty in finding the before number and after number, you can use this method and solve the problem. Okay. If they ask you in the question like does one as a predecessor and successor, you have to obviously tell one as a successor, it don't have a predecessor. Understood, children? I have taught you the reason. Okay. Next, children, they ask another question. Is there any natural number that has no predecessor? In natural number, do we have any number with no predecessor? Yes, 1 as a successor, but it don't have a predecessor number. So the answer is 1. Okay. So is there any natural number which has no successor? Is there a last natural number they have asked? So every natural number has a successor and the natural numbers is infinite. Okay. Next. Children, for example, we can count the number of children in our school, right? And we can also count the number of people in the city, and we can also count the number of people in India by taking the census. And also we can count the number of people in the whole world in the country. So, but can we count the number of stars in the sky? We can't count the number of stars because it is infinite. Infinite means we can't count. Okay. Next. Can we count the number of hair on our heads? Is it possible, children, to count the number of hair on the heads? No, we can't count them because it is infinite. There would be number for them also, but we can't count, right? So, You can think few more examples which we can count and which we can't count. Okay, so there will be few more examples. You may be not clearly know it may be counted or not. See, if the number is countable, you can tell us countable numbers, and if we can't count, it is called as uncountable. So it's infinite, right? So understood, children, how to find the successor and predecessor of the numbers for natural numbers we saw. Next, let us see the whole numbers. Okay. What is whole numbers? Whole numbers are the numbers which include the natural number that begin with 1 onwards, right? Natural numbers begin with 1, right, children? As you all saw, natural numbers started from 1, 2, 3 and so on, right? But whole numbers starts from 0. Whole numbers begins from 0. Okay. Whole numbers begin from 0. Natural numbers we have 1, 2, 3. Starts from 1. So whole numbers, in whole numbers also includes the natural numbers, because see 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3, right? So the whole numbers also includes the natural numbers. Okay. So children, as we saw in previous example, like we have seen that number 1 as a predecessor in natural number, but we don't have a successor, right? So to the collection of natural numbers, if we add 0, we'll get the whole numbers, right? Here we don't have 0. If we add 0 for the natural numbers, we'll get as a whole numbers, right? So in the previous classes, you have all learned how to perform the basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and so on, right? You have also learned how to apply them on problems, right? In the previous chapter, we learned this. So, let us try them on a number line, okay? Before we proceed, let us find out what is a number line. So, children, what is a number line, children? Before that, let me ask few questions and clarify the answers. Okay. The first question is, are all natural numbers also whole numbers? See, they've asked, all natural numbers are whole numbers? Yes, all natural numbers are whole numbers, because if we add 0 to the natural numbers, obviously it will be whole numbers. So obviously all whole numbers are natural numbers. Okay. Sorry, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Next, are all whole numbers? I will write here. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay. Because natural numbers we see in whole numbers also. Because 1, 2, 3 and so on we see in whole numbers. So natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay. Next, all whole numbers are all natural numbers. Is whole number a natural number? See, we have 0 here. We have 0 here? No. So, whole number is not a natural number. So, all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Okay. Understood, children? These you have to keep in mind. They might ask in the test and exams for you. Like they can ask, is all natural numbers whole numbers? You have to tell yes, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Next, if all whole numbers are natural numbers, no, all whole numbers are not natural numbers, because in natural numbers we have 1, 2, 3. In whole numbers we have 0, 1, 2, 3. Is 0 in natural numbers? No. So all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Okay. So here also for whole numbers it ends up to infinity numbers, means we can't count. For natural numbers also it ends up to infinity. So next question, if they ask which is the greatest whole number, we have to tell whole number starts from 0 to infinite. Okay, so we can't count the numbers. Okay, it ends to infinity. Okay, so whole number starts from 0 and ends to infinity, both natural and whole numbers also. Okay, natural numbers is also same, it starts from 0 and ends to infinity. Okay, next let us see the number line. So what is a number line, children? What do you mean by number line? Number line is a line on which we mark the numbers at equal intervals. Okay. So, let us see how to draw a number line and mark the numbers. Okay. First, to draw a number line, you have to draw a straight line. Okay. Next, you will mark the point on it. So, first point, let us label it as 0. Okay. Next, mark the second point to the right of 0. Okay. To right of 0, we will mark the second point with equal intervals 1. We label it as 1. Same distance will mark the third point, that will label it as 2. Next, with same intervals, let us mark few points on the line. Okay. Understood, children? In this way, we label the points at unit distances. Okay. So, you can go to any whole number on the right in this manner. So, this is a number line with whole numbers. So, if any number starts with 0, then you call it as whole number. If any number, if it starts from 1, then you call it as a natural number. This you can keep in mind. Okay. So, this is the whole numbers. So, it goes on repeating. Okay. It goes on repeating. So what is the distance between the point 2 and 4? So, let us find the distance between point 2 and 4. Okay. See, we from 2 and 4 there was. So, how many distance we have? 1. From 2 to 3 have to go again from 2 to 3. 4, sorry. There was the distance from 2 to 4. So, from 2 to 4, first it should go from 2 to 3, next from 3 to 4. So, how many units it has jumped? 1, 2. 2 units it has jumped. So, what is the distance between 2 and 4? It's 2. Okay. Next, can you find the distance between 2 and 6? Like that only, again there was the distance between 2 and 6. Okay. Now there was the distance between 2 and 6. So, first it should go from first there was the distance from 2 to 6. So, first from 2 to 3 it should go. Next from 2 to 4. Next to 4 to 5, 5 to 6. So, how many distance we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 units we have the in between. You have to count like this. Okay, children? So, if we take 4, 4 is greater than 2, right? 4 is greater than 2, right, children? So, if we take 6, 6 is greater than 2. This is example, okay? So, what can we tell? With this, it means from this observation, we can tell that any two whole numbers, the number on the right of the other number is greater number. So, right of the 2 is we have 3. So obviously 3 is greater than 2. Like that only. 4. 4 is greater than 2. Next if we take 3. 3 is greater than 4. So like that only. So the number on the right will always be greater than the number. Okay. So if we take left side number. So if we take 4. 4, then if we take 3. If we take 3 and 6, obviously 3 is lesser than 6, right? If we take 3 and 5, so 3 is lesser than 5. So with these observations, we can say that the number left to this number, the whole number on left is the smaller number. So 6 we have took. 6 left number is 5. 5 is obviously less. Then if we take 3, 6 is less than, 3 is less than 6. So left side numbers will always be smaller number. Okay. Left side to the number line, it will be the smaller number. Then right side, if you compare, it will be always a greater number. Understood, children? Right side to the number line, like this. Right side means it will always be the greater number. If you come left side, it will be always a smaller number. Okay. So let us try to place some numbers and find the predecessor and successor on the number line. Okay. So first let us take number line of, first let us place 12 on the number line. So there was, first let us draw the number line. So let us now write some predecessor and successor numbers of few numbers. Okay. First let us take 12. Let us mark successor of 12. Okay. Let us mark the successor of 12. So 12 is where, children? Here we have. Here we had 12. So 12 successor means what? After number. 12 successor means 13. 12 successor means 13 we have. So 12 successor of 12 is 13. Okay. Next, let us write predecessor of 7. Predecessor of 7. Where is 7, children? Here we have 7. So 7 predecessor means what? Before number. Before of 7 what we have? Before of 7 we have 6. So predecessor predecessor of 7 is 6. Understood, children? So like this, it goes like this. Predecessor means it goes reverse. Successor means like this, okay? Successor of 12 is 13. Predecessor of 7 is 6, okay? So let us try addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the number line, okay? Let us first write addition on number line, okay? So addition on number line, so addition of whole numbers can be shown on the number line, right? So let us see the addition of 3 and 4. First, let us see addition of 3 and 4, okay? So for that, first we'll draw the number line. Whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can write up to some numbers, okay? So we have to add 3 and 4. So we have to add 3 plus 4, right? So we have to add 3 plus 4. 3 and 4 means what? We have to add 3 plus 4, okay? So where is 3 on the number line? We have 3 here. Where is 4 on the number line? Sorry. Where is 3? First there was 3. So we have to start from 3. Start from 3 since we have to add 4 to 3. We have to add 4 to 3. So start from 3. So we have to jump 4 numbers to the right. So from 3 it goes to 4 numbers we have to jump. So 1 number from 3 to 4, next 2, from 4 to 5, next 3, that is from 5 to 6, next 4, next from 6 to 7. You have jumped 4 numbers, right children? 1, 2, 3, 4. There was, we have to add 4 for 3. For 3, if you add 4 numbers you have to jump. What is the answer at 4th number you got? 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7, okay? So understood children? First they have asked to add 3 plus 4. So we will start from 3. So from 3 we have to jump 4 numbers, okay? So 1 number we jumped to 4, again to 5, next to 6, next to 7. So 4 numbers after jumping we got 4th number as 7. So we got the answer, that is 3 plus 4 will be 7 is the answer we got on the number line. So do mental calculation and check whether your answer is right or wrong. So 3 plus 4 is how much children? 3 plus 4 is also 7. So what we have represented on the number line and what we got the answer is same as the mental calculation, right? So it's a easy method. Okay children. So let us take one more example, that let us add 4 plus 5. Okay. Let us add 4 and 5. So first draw a number line starting from 0, 0 with equal intervals. Okay. No, one if one is there, you can't write 2 here only. What distance you have wrote from 0 to 1, same distance it should be from 1 to 2. Okay. Okay children. First you will draw the number line. Next starting number what they have told? 4 they have told. So where is 4 on the number line? Here we have 4. So we have to add 5 for 4. So 4 we have to jump how many numbers? 5 numbers. So from 4 we jump 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers you have jumped, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers you have jumped. So fifth number what we got the answer? 9 we got. So 4. So 4 plus 5 we got answer as 9 on the number line. So mentally also if you do 4 plus 5, what is the answer children? 9 itself. Okay. Understood children how to add the numbers, add the two numbers. Okay. I'll take two more examples. Third one, 2 plus 6. Okay. First you will draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 goes on. Okay. So first what they have given, the number 2 they have given. So where is 2? Here. How many numbers we have to jump? 6 numbers we have to jump. So jump 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers you jumped. So what is the answer you got? 8 you got. So 2 plus 6 answer is 8. Understood children? How to do? Next fourth problem. 3 plus 5. Okay. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next starting you can take like for till 10. How much you want you can write the numbers. Okay. Not only you should write till 8, you have to write till 9. It's not like that. You can write in till anything. Okay. So 3 there was. So where is 3? 3 we have here. So how many numbers we have to jump? 5 numbers we have to jump from 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 numbers we jumped. What is the answer we got? 8 we got. So what is the answer? 3 plus 5 we got 8. Okay. So next let us see how to subtract the number on the number line. Okay. Next let us see how do you subtract on number line. Okay. Let me take one example, that is 7 minus 5. Okay, as usual you have to draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so first they have asked 7. So where is 7 on the number line? We have 7 here, right? So minus they have asked. Minus means you have to go back. So it's like predecessor we do, right? So we have to go back. How many times we have to go back? 5 times. They have asked 5. So from 7 you go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times we have to go back if subtraction. Addition we have to go front. For subtraction you have to go back. So what is the answer we have to go? We got 2 is the answer. See the tip, wherever we get tip like this answer, that will be the answer. Okay, tip end of the answer is 2. So 7 minus 5 is, so 7 minus 5 what we got? 2 we got. Understood children? How did I do it? First you have to start from 7. 7, since 5 is being subtracted from 7, so move 5 towards the left, okay, with one jump of unit. You have to jump one unit, okay. You will tell this as unit, okay. So make 5 such jumps. We can reach the point 2. So we did 5 jumps, so we got 2 as the answer, okay. Next, let me take one more example, that is 8 minus 3 I'll take, okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first which number they have given? 8 they have given. Where is 8? Here we have. So how many times back we have to go for 3? Subtraction. So we have to go in a reverse order. 1, 2, 3. 3 times we went back. What is the answer we got at 3.5? So 8 minus 3 is equals to 5 is the answer. Okay. I'll take 2 more examples. Next, third one, 6 minus 2. So draw a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So where is 6 here? We have 6 here. So 6 we have to subtract 2. Subtract means we have to go back side. Left side we have to go. So from 6 we have to jump 2 times because 2 is given. 1, 2. 2 times if we jump, what is the answer we got? 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. Next, fourth problem. 9 minus 6. First draw the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So where is 9 on this? Here we have. So how many times back we have to go? 6 times towards left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times we gone. What is the answer we got? 3. So 9 minus 6 we got 3 as the answer. Okay. This is how you subtract the numbers on the number line. Okay. Next, let us see multiplication of numbers on the number line. Okay. So let us see multiplication of numbers on the number line. So let us take first example, that is 4 into 3. Okay. First step is same as usual, children. You have to mark the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 12. Okay. Next, there was 4 into 3. So, what should we do? We have to start from 0 here. Okay. Move 3 units at a time to the right. Make such 4 moves. We have to make 4 moves. Okay. First, here in addition subtraction, we took the number which was first and we started from that number. But from multiplication, you have to start from 0 itself. Okay, keep this in mind. For addition subtraction, it's different. For multiplication, it's different way. From 0, you have to jump 3 numbers. So 3 numbers if you jump, 1, 2, 3 numbers you jumped, right? 3 numbers you jumped. 3 numbers you have to jump 4 times. 3 numbers you have to jump. Okay. 3. Always right side number, whatever they give in the question, that numbers we have to jump. Okay. Keep that mind. Keep in that mind. Okay. So 3 numbers if we jump, 1, 2, 3. Leave this number. Next count 1, 2, 3. Next we have to jump from 3 numbers we have to jump. Next it will go to 6. Next from 6 you count 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. It ends at 9. So next 3 numbers we jumped. Next 4 times. Here 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. We have to jump how many times? 4 times we have to jump. So 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer we got? What is the answer we got? We got 12 as the answer. So 4 into 3 is 12. Okay children. First, for multiplication, you should always start from 0. Okay. Next, from 0, you have to jump 4 times. You have to jump 4 times. How many numbers you have to jump? 3 numbers, 4 times you have to jump. 3 numbers you have jumped, right? 1, 2, 3. Leaving 3 numbers, you have to jump. Again leaving 3 numbers. 3 numbers you are leaving and jumping 4 times. Okay? You are leaving 3 numbers and jumping. So, you will get the answer. I'll take one more example. Second one. 2 into 6. Okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Next, here they asked 2. 2 into 6. So, how many numbers we have to leave? See, this numbers we have to leave. This numbers we have to jump. Okay. This you keep in the mind. So, how many numbers we have to leave? 6 numbers we have to leave. So, 1, leave starting number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number is what? From 0 to 6 you have to jump. Next, again count from 6 numbers. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. If you count, what is the answer you got? 12 you got. So, understood children? How to do? 2 into 6 we got as 12. Right? On the number line we got 12. So, check whether 2 6 is 12. Yeah, 2 6 is also 12. So, the answer we got is right answer. Okay? Keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. First number we have to jump. The next number we have to leave. So, leave right side numbers and jump left side numbers. Okay. Main thing you keep this in mind so that you won't get confusion. Okay. Next, third. Next, third one. 3 into 3. So, first draw the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, this number we have to leave. This number we have to jump. Right. So, how many numbers we have to leave? 3 numbers. So, 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers we leave. From 0 to 3 it will come. Next, again if you leave 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3. How many numbers you jump? 3 times, right? 1, second time, third time. What is the answer we got? 9. So, 3 3s is how much? 9. So, here also we got 9 as the answer. Okay. Next, fourth one. 4 into 2. Okay. First draw the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, how many numbers we have to leave? two numbers. So leave first number 1, 2. So if you jump 2 numbers, it will come from 0 to 1. 4 times you have to jump leaving 2 numbers. So 1, 2, 2 numbers you have to leave. Again 1, 2, 2 numbers you leave. 1, 2, 2 numbers you leave. Okay. So 4 times we jumped, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer we got? 8. So 4 twos is 8. What is the answer we got? 8. So it's same as the answer. Okay. Understood, children? This is how you do the addition, multiplication and subtraction on the number line. Okay. And you have to keep in mind the whole numbers and natural numbers. What are whole numbers and what are natural numbers, and how will we represent the numbers on the number line. Okay.